I'm very excited to show you how and talk about how the hive works here at FMI.
What makes FMI buzz?
Just like in a hive, every single bee has to work together. That's the way it is here. Every single position here is critical to us producing great results for our customers.
I'm a chemist and I'm like a forager bee.
What's the most exciting part about being the science behind the scents?
So I'd say the most exciting part is just having the fulfillment of seeing that final product out on the shelves. You know, FMI isn't advertised out there anywhere. Our name isn't on any label, so it's exciting to know that something that I helped to develop and worked hard on, as well as everybody else, to see that on a store shelf at Ulta or Sephora, it's just really cool.
I'm a compounder and I'm like a honey maker.
I'm standing by the mixers, like bees turning nectar into honey, compounders turn ingredients into products in large batches.
Worker bee here at FMI, and I work in production. For shipping mix, we have to go through quality department for smell of micro, make sure there's no contaminations, and the color and smell and texture is correct.
My name is Jess. I work at FMI in quality control, and I'm a guard bee. So we always investigate to see anything that went wrong with either a mix or a finished product, and then we see if we can fix it or if we just have to throw everything away.
I work in shipment and I work as a scout bee. Our picker picks the order, and then we have a packer who verifies its contents and makes sure that everything aligns with what the customer ordered and make sure that the address and everything aligns well. As worker bees, we do keep busy. We do make sure that every single order ships out within 24 to 48 hours. We work very fast-paced, very efficiently, and very accurate. Because at the end of the day, we want to make sure that our customers receive the package and smile.
So we really care about the honey that we are producing. And that's what makes the hive buzz.
So now you know what's so cool about manufacturing.